Howdy, welcome back to WP Talk channel. I'm Sharif, your guide to all things WordPress. Today, we'll tackle a common issue faced by many WordPress users. That is how to delete uncategorized category from your WordPress website. So, let's dive right in. Okay, so to do this, as you can see, this is the uncategorized category, and you will realize you cannot find the delete button. So why is this? You are unable to delete this because this category is the default category in your WordPress website. So to do this, you just have to add a new category. So let's say, example, name it guide, right? And click on add new category. So we've added a new category. So the new category, you can see the delete button, but for the uncategorized, the delete button is hidden because this is the default category. So after creating a new category, the next thing to do is to make this the default category. You can do that by going to settings and click on writing. Okay, settings, writing. Okay, and here the first post category, as you can see, by default it is uncategorized. So what you should do now is to click here and select the new category. So in this case, I've selected guide. Click on save changes, and as you can see, the settings is saved. You can then go back to the post, click on categories. You can see the delete button now appears. For the guide, the delete button is hidden because it is now our default category. Now we can confidently delete the uncategorized category. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any video whenever we release one. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.